Tired of seeing water stains, a buildup of crumbs, and liquids in your car's cup holders? It doesn't really help that the crevice is not easy to wipe clean, but with the help of car coasters, placing your drinks and cleaning the holder has become so much more convenient. We've picked some of the best car coasters on the market, with WeatherTech's version taking the top place in our top 5 list for its easy pull design and non-slip features. There are 9 more coasters of varying materials and design. When you're done looking through the options, you can go through the buying guide to become more acquainted with which car coaster is for you. Choosing a car coaster may seem like a pretty straightforward process. There are numerous options for cheap Best Car Cup Coaster, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable Best Car Cup Coaster from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Tech Car Coasters 4 pack. These rubber car coasters can fit most factory vehicle cup holders and will keep your bottles and drinks securely in place while preventing spills and condensation from getting into the holder. The coasters seamlessly blend in with the vehicle's cup holder design. What's more, their deep sidewalls keep your beverages snug and limit rattling, while the pull tabs make them easy to remove for cleaning. According to a few reviewers, the coasters didn't fit in their cars, so we recommend checking the measurements with your vehicle before you buy. Meanwhile, many others had no issues and said that the coasters are durable and easy to clean. They also appreciated how easy the coasters are to remove. Number 2. Pedo Car Coasters 6-pack. These ceramic finish car coasters have a cork-like bottom that absorbs condensation and light spills, so they don't accumulate in your cup holder. The coasters are thick and have a little slit for easy removal. You get these in one size 2.56-inch diameter, which is about the same size as standard cup holders. However, if you have a larger vehicle with spacious holders, there might be a gap. We recommend measuring your existing setup beforehand. A few reviewers noted that the coasters are a bit small, but the majority loved them regardless. They said the coasters are super cute and absorb any spilled liquid well. Some added that they make great presents. Number 3. DBlosp Universal Insert Car Coaster 2-pack. These silicone car coasters add bling to your cup holders with shining rhinestones on the circumference. The ribbed surface traps condensation while providing a non-slip bottom. The silicone can withstand high temperatures and doesn't accumulate odor even when in contact with various liquids and other debris. Some reviewers reported that the rhinestones started falling off after a while. Still, the majority were happy with the fit of the coasters, saying they added a nice touch to their cars. Many said the coasters are classy and easy to clean. Number 4. Vaincre Car Coasters 4-pack. These coasters come in a set of 4, each with a different print. They're made with a ceramic top and cork base for extra absorbency. The surface is resistant to stains, keeping your coasters in pristine condition. Some reviewers noted that the coasters are a bit small, but many praised them for being absorbent and easy to keep clean. The colors were also repeatedly complimented by buyers. Number 5. SINGARO Car Cup Coaster. SINGARO Car Cup Coaster and available in 12 different colors. They come in sets of 2. According to the seller, the phrase at the edges can extend upwards, giving your beverages a more snug fit to prevent rattling. Previous buyers had no complaints about the quality of the coasters. They were a perfect fit for many vehicles. Reviewers also raved about the beautiful colors, saying they complemented their cars nicely. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.